Hey everybody, it's Tom with your mental fitness technique of the week, vacation photos. Vacation photos can be leveraged to help you to perfect those mindfulness, those visualization, and those imagery skills. Here's a picture of a vacation photo I took when my son and I went on a trip to Glacier National Park. For the next 30 seconds, study all aspects of this picture. Notice all that you can see in that picture. Maybe think about what you might hear. Now close your eyes and picture that image vividly in your mind. Imagine that you are now in that exact location. Look around and take in all aspects of this experience. What do you see? Maybe you see the crystal clear blue water, the evergreen trees. What do you hear as you are in this location? Maybe you hear a cool breeze against the trees, or the sounds of birds. Notice what you feel. Maybe it's your feet on the rocky ground. What emotions are you experiencing in this location? Maybe it's a sense of peace or calm or awe. Continue to be fully present in that location for the next few moments. Now, keeping your eyes closed, slowly allow that image to fade from your mind and take note of how you feel. Maybe a little bit more calm, a little bit more peace, perhaps a little more joyful. Begin to picture the room around you, and then you could go ahead and open your eyes. So what I encourage you to do this week is to find some vacation photos that you have that bring back positive memories, or maybe just find some on the internet of places that you want to go to someday, and do just what we did. Spend a minute, 30 seconds or so studying that picture, then close your eyes and imagine yourself in that location. Well, that's your mental fitness technique of the week, vacation photos. If you found this valuable and would like more resiliency building tips, as well as additional mindfulness, meditation, or visualization exercises, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our new content. See you next week.